Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of GBPUSD, British Pound US Dollar. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So this is a 1 hour chart of GBPUSD, and as you can see that unlike my other videos, I have got too many levels on the chart. So let's try to understand the levels one by one. First of all, let's talk about DXY. As you can see that after the retail sales report yesterday, market or DXY tried to recover, okay, and the recovery is still going on, more or less still going on, but we cannot deny the fact that the present structure of DXY is very weak. Overall, DXY was extremely bullish for the last couple of weeks and months, but right now massive correction going on, and though DXY is trying to recover, but there is no fundamental factor that will push the market towards the upside. So DXY may remain like this for the next couple of days, and it may also go down further, because after all, fundamental factors are very important for the direction of the market. But DXY is forming higher lows in the market here. So higher lows in the market, so higher lows usually signify the presence of new buyers in the market or the willingness of the buyers to take the market up. So let's wait and watch whether DXY succeeds or not. But if we look at the currency strength meter, we can see that USD is the strongest currency of the day. So yes, bulls will try their best to take the market up. And my dear friends, this is the economic calendar today. As we can see that yes, high impact news coming up again, so please be careful during the US session. Again, I'll say that if you're a beginner, new trader, if your capital is very less, you're in a very tight spot right now, try to avoid trading during the day. Observation is important, but yes, try to avoid taking any position if you're a beginner, because market can be extremely volatile and you may lose your precious capital as well. So do not gamble with your hard-earned money. And in the Forex sentiment meter, we can see that 60% retail traders have taken sell position and 39% retail traders have taken long position. Okay, and usually we see market going against the sentiment meter because this is the sentiment of the retail traders. So now let's look at a chart of GBPUSD now. So first of all, I would like to discuss about the symmetrical triangle pattern, clear symmetrical triangle pattern here. So as we can see that whenever market is going up, market is unable to cross the previous high, and similarly when market is coming down, okay, it is also respecting the trend line, or market is forming higher lows here. Okay, so a clear symmetrical triangle pattern is visible. But symmetrical triangle pattern signifies that a breakout is coming soon. Okay, a breakout is coming soon. Considering the present trend, there is a possibility that the breakout may come towards the upside. But we cannot deny the fact that symmetrical triangle pattern is considered as a bilateral pattern. It means that a breakout will come towards the upside as well as downside. So we must take the decision when the time will come. So do not take any position right now hoping that market will go up or down. But as of now, as you can see, that market is trying to go up here. Okay, yes, there can be some temporary recovery on the chart of, or some temporary upside on the chart of GBPUSD, but yes, a big move may come very soon. Okay. First of all, right now GBPUSD is standing here at the support of the trend line as well as the 50 moving average. So yes, there is some hope that there can be some temporary upside on the chart of GBPUSD, but do not expect much right now, because as you can see, the triangle is very narrow here. Okay, so a boom is coming very soon. In case the market breaks the line at the top, if the market breaks the line at the top, then you can go for a buy position. Your target will be 1.2000. This will be the next target. Why? Because the extreme price rejection was seen around this level only. So if market breaks, then obviously we can expect the market will be heading towards 1.000 level, and we can book our profits here. And if market shows good price rejection just like the previous times, you can take a sell position as well. but time will speak. But right now market is trading here, so let's discuss about this level later on. Okay, now not required. As of now, let's focus on this particular portion of the market only. Now if market starts going down, okay, if market starts going down, then first of all, observe the volatility of the market. Do not forget that volatility plays a big role in the market. After all, no levels are of equal strength. So if the volatility of the market is low, listen to me carefully. If the volatility of the market is low, and if you see that market has crossed the support, okay, market has crossed the support, but if you see that the size of the candles are like this, it means that though there is a breakdown kind of a scenario, but market does not have the required amount of volume that may push the market towards the downside. In that case, you can expect the market to bounce from 1.1830. Around this level, you can expect the market to bounce because market does not have the volume. And after all, false breakout is also a bitter reality of the market. So it will be a false breakout, and you can expect the market to bounce from 1.1830 if the volatility is low. Yes, mind my word, volatility is a big thing. Okay, you must understand volatility of the market. On the other hand, if market breaks it, if market breaks this level, then the next amount of support you can expect around 1.1725 to 1.1720. This will be the next big support for GBPUSD. We are considering this support because first of all, we have got Fibonacci 23.6% around this level, as well as we have seen previous good amount of price rejection around this area. Okay, so if GBPUSD comes down to this level, you can definitely expect a buy position. But keep in mind the previous support level of 1.1830 is not a good support. If the volatility is low, then only you can expect. But 1.1725 1.1800 1.1800, okay, around this level you can expect the market to bounce because we have got Fibonacci 23.6%, as well as we have seen previous price being rejected from this level. So around 1.1800, 1.1810, okay, has a good chance of market bouncing. If not a trend reversal, at least you can expect a bounce of 30, 35, 40 pips from 1.1800 level. Okay, market works in zones, so if market breaks also 1.180, do not take a sell position immediately because this is a zone in the market. Okay, this is a zone in the market. Let's wait and watch how the market reacts. In case market breaks everything, I'll come down tomorrow and I'll tell you what should be the next strategy. But yes, as of now, it looks like that there can be some temporary recovery on the, not temporary recovery, temporary upside. Okay, upside on the chart of GBPUSD. But keep in mind, okay, this space is very narrow right now, so please be careful. Bye bye, take care, and see you tomorrow. And please do not gamble with hard-earned money. As I always say, this is my analysis. I can be wrong as well. No trader is 100% accurate, so please be careful. Bye bye.